How's it going, guys? Today I wanted to try something different. A Gothic lamp that I drew many months ago. I figured I'd try to bring it to life, and so with light burn and help of my laser cutter, I went to work. The design I had in my head was a little bit different than the drawing I had drawn a few months back. In the end, it came out much better than I thought it would. And now that these are all taken out, this is 6mm basewood. I am staining it a very dark bamboo mahogany. It's a very good stain. Also has polyurethane in it, so it's very glossy. And there's no need to stain both sides because you obviously will not see the inside. Now that the next day has passed, I have put tuck tape behind the panes. It's usually used for duct work and HVAC systems. And epoxy resin has a very hard time sticking to it. So now we're going to take our epoxy resin, mix in red mica powder and some drops of deep orange. And after we pour that, some obsidian stone, basically black. And we take a toothpick. Try to emulate some of these weird Gothic designs. And that is just some hot glue to hold in the epoxy. And we're going to fill in the little cracks that are there by design, obviously. And when everything was set and dry a few days later, I was not satisfied. It came out far too clear. So I took my Sager gun, filled it with this regular red paint, and went to town. I started off small, and after a few coats was not satisfied. And about 4 coats later, this is what I had. It just was not enough. And so after gluing it together, as you can see here, I'll be clamping everything together. I decided to use this regular red spray paint and blast the inside of it, as you can see clearly right there. And this is gluing on the final top piece, and my clamps do not reach, so I used a piece of stone. Let's wipe away some excess wood glue. And the next day, after sanding it, giving it a nice bevel look, had to give it one more coat of stain just to cover up everywhere I've sanded. I have to say, doing this was pretty eye-opening. I usually only do dioramas, but this was pretty cool, I have to admit. And I'm very satisfied with the outcome. And now that I found these legs, these little iron Gothic light legs I had lying around, I decided to put those on, and they fit the whole aesthetic perfectly. And now that we have this little regular lamp kit going to put in there, I've also pre-drilled some very small holes for this. Honestly, I forgot. Electricians use it to hold down wires. I was just going to use a regular industrial staple, but I ran out. So I grabbed one of these, and it worked out just fine. A little overkill, but that's alright. And when that was done, that was it. This was a quick, fun project. I'm sorry for it being a little late. I was sick, had a pretty bad cold, but enjoy these final shots, and thank you for watching. Have a great week, guys.